Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem from Giancoli's book. So the question is, what net force is needed to accelerate a 45 kilogram sled at 1.4 meter per second squared on horizontal frictionless ice? Okay, let's write what we are given from the problem. We know that the mass is 45 kilogram. Okay, and then the acceleration here, that will be 1.4 meter over second square. And we are given that this one will be a sled. Maybe sled. Yeah, I cannot draw slide, and I just draw a box here. So this is our sled with the mass of 45 kilogram. And then it is accelerated on the ice here that is frictionless. So we'll have frictionless ice here. And frictionless means there is no opposing force here. So if the sled here is moving to the right direction, I will have the acceleration here is 1.4 meter over second squared. We have no opposing force here because this is frictionless. Okay. And now let's see what can we get from here. We are asked to find out the net force. What is a net force? Net force is the sigma F in Newton's second law. So we can just plug that in, right? So we don't have any problem here. So we will have this sigma F is just the mass times acceleration. What is the mass? We will have 45 kilogram. Okay, let's plug that in, but I don't want to write the unit. We will write it later. And then we will have the acceleration here. That will be 1.4. Okay, and then maybe let's just do it using calculator because I don't want to get it wrong. Okay, so I'll have 45 times 1.4. So we will have 63. Okay, 63. And kilogram times meter over second squared, that will be Newton, right? So that will be our net force. And I think that will be this for this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.